As you can see by the sticker, it's the AquaQuest water filter. It filters up to 5,000 gallons. So let's take a look and see what we got in here. I should set my tripod up, but it comes with a stainless steel hose. And here's the filter itself. Again, it does up to 5,000 gallons. Let's see what else we got in the box. Of course, our directions. And our installation kit. This is a household water filter. And our second hose. So that's not bad. Let's see. It tells us here doesn't really say much about what it I'll go back onto Amazon and find all the information. Let's see, I can barely read it on here. I'm going to get a picture here and then I'll get up close and personal on that information. So this is what comes in the kit. Here's where I'll be putting my water filter. Tapping into that line there. I'll have to move those a little bit. And this is my sink drain getting ready to go down through the floor down there. And of course my 12 volt wiring and my 110. So that's where it's going to go. I'll be getting some pictures and some more video as I go. And then all I got to do is hook the pump up to the tank. And that system's done. I got the fittings hook up the sink to the PEX. So little by little, it's getting there. Here are the hoses that came with the AquaQuest water filter. As you can see, these two ends here plug into the filter itself. But these two ends, for some reason, you have a male and a female. Oh, next door neighbor's cutting grass if you hear it. So that's kind of weird. So if you get this, do not go to Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware. They won't have any fittings to make it work to go to PEX. So what I had to do, I had to go down to actual plumbing supply and get this one for the male side, and I actually had to get an extension here for the female side to make this work. So if you're looking at water filters, check out those ends to make sure that they're at least the same, and if you have to, go to an actual plumbing supply company to get all these fittings because local stores don't have it. And that's what it looks like connected. So now I'll get this in there and rework my PEX a little bit, maybe cut it shorter since I have some extra length here, and get my filter in today. Well, it's not pretty, but it's functional because of all the extra length of piping here. I looped it and then cut the PEX off a little bit down there, and I'll get that supported against the wall. And then I'll be putting some foam double stick tape between the braids where anything's rubbing, which will keep it from rubbing through. Again, it's not pretty, but it's working. Well, it should work. And of course I've got my sink water coming up. So I'm getting closer. My days have been short because of other things I have to do. So hopefully next week I'll be able to get back into 6 or 8 hours a day instead of 4 or 5.